Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is War, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this quick and compact 3x3 piston door. Now the cool thing about this door is that, well, first off it's quick, but second off it is only one block wide, and the redstone isn't amazingly hard for it, and it'll only take a couple minutes to build. So if you want to see how to build it, why don't we just jump right into it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is build out where you want your door, like so. And the reason why we're doing this is so we have a reference point to place everything else off of. And the other thing we're going to have to do is place in all of our sticky pistons. And we're going to start by placing 2 blocks, just like so. I'm placing a sticky piston facing downward, and then another one right next to it, if I can get it. There. Then you can remove these 2 blocks. Then place 2 blocks here. Go down. Place in 2 sticky pistons. Face it in, like so. Then you can remove these 2 blocks. Then do the same on this side. And place in 1, 2. But this time you're actually going to place in a third, just like so. Then we got to place 1, 2, 3 blocks like so, with 2 sticky pistons that are facing upward, like so. Then we can remove these temporary blocks, and then place a temporary block underneath these 2 sticky pistons to the right, and then place in a sticky piston facing this way off this block. Then just remove this block. And then we're all set for the sticky pistons. So now we can jump into the redstone. And for the redstone, the first thing we're going to want to do is place an observer facing out of this sticky piston. So you should see this red dot on the opposite side of the sticky piston. You're also going to want to place a block here and a block on top of these 2 sticky pistons, with redstone dust right there. And you can test it out if you want to by placing a lever here. You might have to resync it, like so, but if you have it right, you'll see it works. So now we can get to this side. And we're going to start this side by placing a block next to this sticky piston here. And then, if you're like me, you like to keep it decorated. So if you want to, place the same as your door block right here, and then the same right here. Now the reason we have to do that is just so we can place more blocks off of it, like so. Then we can place a dropper, and it doesn't matter which way it's facing. Then place 2 observers facing upward, like so, into this dropper, with a block at the bottom. Then, if you have the lever flicked on, you might want to flick it off just for a second so you can place in your redstone dust, like so, and then flick it, and voila. Then you might just need to reset this, but besides that, it should all work. Then we're just left with this bottom half, which we're going to start by placing a dropper down here. Doesn't matter the direction you're facing it. And then you're going to place an observer facing into it, and then an observer facing into that one. Then you're going to place a block out the back of these 2 with redstone dust, and then a 4-tick repeater. Then we're going to place in an observer, like so. You might have to shift above it to place it. And then you're going to want to place an observer on top of the redstone dust. And the same, you're going to want to put an observer on top of this dropper. And then you can grab the blocks you're going to want. So I'm going to want this as my floor. So just place that in. You can remove this, place in this block here, just so it's all out of here. We just have one more thing left to do, and that is to get the redstone to this spot, which we're going to start by placing in a sticky piston out of this observer and block with a redstone block right on the bottom of it, and then place a temporary block here and a block here, then a block here with redstone dust, like so. Then you might have to just replace this all. Then try this out, and you'll see that it works. Click a lever again, and voila.
And now you have your working 3x3 piston door. But say you don't like where the lever is, because you got all these nice walls and you'd prefer it to be like over here. Well, that's very easy to do. And to start that, all you have to do is place redstone dust right there on top of this sticky piston. Then go to the side with your observer, place a staircase down like this, and level it out with your floor. Then go till the back of your lever, redstone dust, and a repeater if you need to, so you can reach it all the way. Then flick your lever, and it should work. So with that, that's all I have for you today. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Helps with the channel a lot and tells me you want more videos just like this. But with that, that's all I have for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.